Exercise 10.4, question number 3. Examine whether you can construct DEF. EF is given as a base. DEF 7.2. This is 110. This angle is 80. Now, as you can see that two base angles are given and the sum of the two angles is 190. Sum of these two base angles is 190. So, angle E plus angle F is equal to 110 plus 80, that is 190, which is more than 180. This implies triangle is not possible because the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180, but here we are getting the sum of two angles as more than 180, so it's not possible for us to construct a triangle. So triangle is not possible. Question number 1 from exercise 10.5. A right angle triangle is there. PQR. This is 90. QR is 8. PR is 10. You have given one angle and two sides. So let's start this question. For this, what you will do, you will start with the base. You will start with the base. Base is your 8. So you will construct the base as 8 centimeter. And the name is QR. Base is QR. Now what's the next step? Base we have constructed. Now we have to construct the angle Q as 90 degree. And for the 90 degree, you all know that we have to construct a semicircle. From here, you will put one arc, that is 60, then again 60. Then you will make half from this point. We are making half of 90. That will be half of 60 and 120. So what you will do, you will join this. This is your angle 90. Base we have constructed, angle we had constructed, that is of 90 degree. Now what's next? Base we have done, angle we have drawn. Now we have to draw 10 centimeter from R. So from R, we will draw 10 centimeter arc that will cut this line and that will cut this line. Now open the compass of 10 centimeter. So from here, what you will do, you will draw the arc of 10 centimeter. So we have drawn the arc from this point R. So after constructing the arc, you will get this point as P. ये P चाहिए था ना, and P you will be getting at this line. So this will give you P and you will join this. This will be your P. This is your 10 centimeter. Now, who will tell me the steps? Very less strength. Very good, beta. Yes, Arshia.
Yes, ma'am. Draw a line segment QR, then draw 90-degree angle with the help of a compass. After then, open your compass 10 centimeter and draw an arc from the point R that cuts the previous line X,
QX.
and then
QX. That cut
that
the
cuts QX
at P.
At P, then join P and R.
Very good. Then join PR. This is the required triangle PQR. Yes, everybody, please write down this. Write down all the steps. Draw QR is equal to 8 centimeter. Draw angle Q is equal to 90 degree with the help of compass. Draw an arc of 10 centimeter. Draw an arc of 10 centimeter. From R, which cut QX at P. Which cut QX at P. Join PR. Join PR. This is the required triangle PQR. This is the required triangle PQR. Next, question number 2. Construct a right angle triangle 90, and the side opposite to 90 degrees your hypotenuse, which is 6, and one of the leg is 4. You can take this as 4 or this, but it is necessary to have the base. So that's why I have taken the base as 4. Because without base, we can't start. So this question is exactly same. Start this question. Make base 4, then draw 90 degree. Then from this point, draw 6 centimeter arc. That will give you a right angle triangle. Hurry up. Construct it first. Then you will tell me the steps and I will draw it later. Firstly, you please construct it. Draw AB as 4 centimeter. Draw angle A is equal to 90. For the 90, you all know we have to make a small semicircle of any radius. $60. Then from here 120. Then half of this angle. Then what's the next step? From this point B, you will draw 6 centimeter. Done.
Ma'am, can I tell the steps?
Rishti, can you speak of the step of construction for this question number 2?
Yes, ma'am. Draw AB is equal to 4 centimeters. From A, draw 90-degree angle. Then from B, draw an arc of 6 centimeters and join CB, which cuts. Then join CB, which cuts XA at C.
From B, draw an arc of 6 centimeter which cut AX at C. Join BC. This is the required triangle ABC. Now start next question, which is again right angle triangle, which is isosceles. Isosceles means two sides are equal. And right angle means one angle is 90. So you will construct an isosceles triangle. So you have given an isosceles triangle whose two sides are equal, 6, 6, and this angle is 90. Hypotenuse cannot be equal to any other side because hypotenuse is the longest side and the remaining two legs should be equal. So the remaining legs are 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and hypotenuse is not given, but one angle is given. It's compulsory to have three conditions. 3 things for construction of a triangle. If 3 things are not given, that means we are not able to draw a triangle. Got it? Now start this question. Start this question. Firstly, construct the base BC as 6 centimeter. Hurry up, start this. Draw base BC as 6 centimeter. Draw BC as 6 centimeter. Then angle B as 90 degree with the help of compass. We have done so many questions of this type. Hope you all are able to construct it at your own. Make base. Then make angle B as 90 degree with the help of compass. Yes, Guneet.
मैम आई हैव अ डाउट। मैम जो हम आर्क बनाते हैं ना, जब हम ऐसे लाइन लगाते हैं,
हाँ जी,
आर्क कैसे लगानी है जो लाइन के बीच में लगाते हैं? मैम ये वाली, मैम ये वाली।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, ये हाफ करते हैं। 60 और 120 का हाफ करते हैं और इसी से, इसी पॉइंट जहां ये कट रहा है, इसी के ऊपर से वो लाइन पास होनी चाहिए। ये गलत है आपका, ये रॉन्ग है बेटा जो आपने बनाया है। एक्चुअली जहां ये एंगल कट कर रहा है, इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है टू आर्क्स, द लाइन शुड पास थ्रू दैट पॉइंट। जहां पे दो, इधर देखो, जहां दो एंगल बाइसेक्ट हो रहे हैं ना, लाइन उसके बीच में से पास
Yes,
करनी
ma'am.
चाहिए, उस बीच में से पास करनी चाहिए। आपकी उसके सेंटर में से पास नहीं हो रही। ठीक है, तो ये आप ऐसे करके बेस
मैम
बनाया।
60 और 120 का हाफ कैसे लेना है?
ये देखो, ये बीसी बनाया 6।
मैम
हाँ।
60 और 120।
देखो देखो, इधर देखो, यहाँ से आपने सेमी सर्कल बनाया ऐसे, यहाँ से फर्स्ट आर्क लगाई 60, यहाँ से सेकंड आर्क लगाई 120।
मैम आपकी वीडियो पॉज।
इज इट ओके नाउ?
यस मैम, यस।
ये जो 60 की आर्क लगाई है और 120 की आर्क लगाई है ना, एक यहाँ से आर्क लगानी है, एक यहाँ से आर्क लगानी है।
ओके मैम।
ठीक है, इसके सेंटर से पास होना चाहिए, इसके सेंटर से। ऐसे स्लांटिंग लाइन नहीं होनी चाहिए, शुड बी स्ट्रेट, देन ओनली इट विल मेक
मैम
90।
कंपास, कंपास पे 60 और 120 कैसे लेना है?
जितना मर्जी खोल के, जो आपने ये देखो, आपने कंपास से ये सेमी सर्कल बनाया इतने का, इतने की ही फर्स्ट आर्क लगा दो। ये 60 से दोबारा लगा दो 120, और 60 और 120 से इसी की दोबारा से आर्क लगा दो सेंटर में, दैट विल बी हाफ। जितना पहले सेमी सर्कल
Okay,
बनाया ना,
ma'am.
उतने की ही आर्क लगा दो, सेम आएगा।
ओके मैम।
ओके, नाउ अब यहां से 6 चाहिए आपको। यहां से ओपन द कंपास ऑफ 6, पुट वन आर्क, दैट विल बी योर ए। Okay, now complete this, hurry up. Complete this and write the steps also. Write down the step. Draw BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Draw BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Draw angle B is equal to 90 degree. Draw angle B is equal to 90 degree with the help of compass. Third point is from B, draw an arc of 6 centimeter. From B, draw an arc of 6 centimeter, which cut BX at A. Which cut BX at A. Join AC. Join AC. This is the required triangle ABC. This is the required triangle ABC. Any doubt, anything you want to ask?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, homework क्या है?
Homework beta, question number 2 of this exercise 10.5.
Okay, ma'am.
Now beta, are you all being able to see this? I am sharing the screen
Yes,
for the
ma'am.
MCQs. Okay. The exponential form of 10,000.
10 raised to power 3.
10 raised to power
3.
4. Total 4 zero. Power is 4, na? So you will write 1 with 4 zeros.
Okay.
Exponential form of 81. What you will do for the exponential form of 81? You will make the prime factors of 81. That will be, yes, Arshia, Jasleen, Arpita, those who know the answer, they can raise their hand. 81 can be written as
3 raised to power
Ma'am,
4.
6 raised to power 3.
3 raised to power 4. 9 9 से 81 होता है ना? तो 9 is 3 square. 3 square into 3 square मतलब 3 raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 3 is 27. 3 raised to power 3 is 27. Next, can you tell me the answer of this? Question number 10. Minus 2 raised to power 3. So here you have to multiply minus 2 3 times.
Minus 8.
Minus 8. Whenever the number is having odd power, answer is negative. When the number is having even power, then answer is positive. As in question number 11, the power is positive, so answer will be also positive. Power is even. So in case of even power, you will have positive answer. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. You will multiply it 4 times. Answer will be, yes, Jasleen?
16.
16.
16.
What is the base in 8 raised to power 2? What is the base in 8 square?
8.
8.
8 and 2 is the exponent, power. 2 is the
Power.
exponent. If I write minus 1 raised to power even number, answer will be always
1.
1. If the power is odd, then the answer will be minus 1.
Minus.
Okay. So answer of 16th question, 0 multiplied by 10 raised to power 4 is, when you multiply any number with 0, answer is always 0.
0.
1.
Yes, Angel, can you answer me the next question? Arpita, Garvit, Harman, Himanshi. Yes, who will answer me? Yes, Himanshi, 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 4.
Ma'am, 3.
What?
Ma'am, 7.
Yes, base is same, power will be added. So the answer is 2 raised to power 7. Akshit, Namya, Angel, Arpita, Garvit.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is this, beta? Angel. Minus 3 raised to power 4 into minus 3 raised to power 6. Base is same. Yes, Drishti?
Ma'am, minus 3 raised to power 10.
Minus 3 raised to power 10. Yes, good. When the base is same and the terms are dividing, then the power will be subtracted. It will be
4. 2 raised to power 4.
2 raised to power 4. Yes, Lakshay, Jasleen, Manraj. Yes, Jasleen, what is the answer of this 22 question? Minus 5 raised to power 4. Can you tell me answer will be even or odd?
Even.
Even. What's the possible answer?
$625.
Yes, answer is 625. Yes, Sanya. Sanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer of this 23rd question. A raised to power m. Yes.
Ma'am, a raised to power m plus n.
What is the answer of next? This question is not written correctly. It is a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n.
Ma'am, a raised to power m minus n.
Very good, beta. Thank you. What is the, yes, Manraj? Jalash.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, answer will be 2 raised to power 6.
Yes. Yes, Jalash. Answer of this 26th question.
2 raised to power 20. Ma'am, sorry, 5 raised to power 20.
5 raised to power 20. Anything raised to power 0 is? Yes,
Ma'am,
Sanya.
1.
1. 3 raised to power 0 is?
1.
What is the answer of this?
Ma'am, 1.
Ma'am, 3.
1, beta. 1, 1, 1. When you multiply 1, 1, 1, answer will be 1. Okay. So